Aditya Thackeray, the son of Uddhav Thackeray, Executive President of the Shiv Sena and grandson of late Balasaheb Thackeray, is currently the head of Yuva Sena, the youth wing of Shiv Sena. Good education and employment are his agendas for the youth. Sri Gerald C. Tennyson is an advocate in the Chennai High Court. He is an energetic youth wing leader who has led several camps for the welfare of the economically underprivileged and socially backward student community and the general public at large. Versatile, active and prominent youth leader Shri Manish Bajpai joined the Nationalist Congress Party in the year 2000 and is now its president. He is the president of the Organization of Orphan Children, Bal Aksha, and the Organization for Senior Citizens, Basera. The dynamic Manish Bajpai has participated actively in the National Service Scheme and conducted many camps related to the National Cadet Corps. He is also a nominated member of the Food Corporation of India, Chhattisgarh, since the year 2006. Self-motivated, confident youth leader Dr. Pratyush Nandan is the national president of Chhatra Janata Dal, the student wing of Janata Dal United. Youth empowerment and students' overall development supporter, Dr. Nandan is into providing platforms for the students to explore their talents and growth. Dr. Rajpal Kashyap is an honored gold medalist for good educational behavior and fine social working in the university. He is also the winner of first position in National Internal University Youth Parliament competition organized by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. He has participated in Andolan, conferences and training sessions from time to time on the call of the Samajwadi Party. Along with that, he is actively involved in organizing blood donation camps, women empowerment conferences, equal education conferences and Chhatra awareness programs. Shri Rohit Chaudhary is the present National President of the National Students' Union of India, NSUI, the student wing of Indian National Congress formed on 9th April 1971. He was the moving force behind the massive student rally held in Chandigarh. He is continuously into the enhancement of youth manpower and encouraging the capable student leaders from the colleges. Resourceful, innovative and flexible, Swadesh Kumar is a graduate from Patna Law College. He has been the president of various youth wings since 1996, namely Samajwadi Chhatra Sabha, Patna University, Bihar Bikas Party Chhatra State President, Bihar, and presently is Chhatra Rashtriya Janata Dal State President, Bihar. Umesh Dutt Sharma, an Indian student leader and activist from Kangra district, Himachal Pradesh, is the National General Secretary of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Till date, he has held various responsibilities like Vibhag Organizing Secretary, State Secretary of Himachal Pradesh and presently is holding responsibility as the National Secretary since 2009. He has successfully led many national and state level agitations against commercialization and corruption. Educated, foresighted and concerned, youth leader Dr. V. Shivdasan is a Marxist by political view. He is the National President of the Students' Federation of India and former chairman of Kannur University Union. He has edited several books and articles. A postgraduate engineer dumped a successful career in the US to work on rural development projects back home. He is the passionate and innovative student wing leader, Balasaheb S. Darade. He has been honored with the Outstanding Engineering Student Award by IEEE USA for 2004. He was also awarded the Certificate of Participation by NASA for the Mars Rover and Deep Impact Mission. He has published 10 papers in IEEE international conferences and participated in more than 30 conferences in India and USA. We are proud to confer on all these energetic and innovative young leaders of India the Vijigishu Chhatra Sangh Netritva Puraskar.